collecting wild piggies. I think I found a wild piggy in the car. I'm not sure. I'm not certain if it's even safe, but I'm going to show you. It's right over there. Did you see it? She's a wild animal and nobody should go near her because she will bite your piggies off. Look at the teeth on that animal and the big long legs. She uses it for kicking people in the head. That nose, she smells out her prey and she steals all their candy. All their Sour Patch Kids. And this type of animal only eats Happy Meals and chocolate milk.
No.
We're gonna go release her back into the wild. Gonna release the wild Peeky.